In a world where whispers of extinction echoed, a wise old tree spoke to the creatures. "We are the guardians," it said, "protecting the delicate balance." The animals gathered, listening intently. "Our sanctuary shields the vulnerable," the tree continued, "a haven for those who cannot speak for themselves." A curious bird chirped, "How can we help?" The tree rustled its leaves. "By nurturing this refuge, we ensure survival." Inspired, the creatures vowed to protect their home, understanding that their unity was the key to preserving life. Together, they declared, "We are the stewards of tomorrow,